let's take a look if you're in your 20s, 30s, 40s, or 50s. What is the game plan here? This is really cool. I think this helps people and also maybe might motivate you to take action a little bit more. Is that, let's say if you're 30 years old, you want to have at least 1 times your salary saved. So if you're making $50,000 a year, you want to make sure that you have 50 grand in the bank. Let's jump up to 45. You want to have 4 times your annual income saved. Once you get into your 60s, right, that's 8 times, Al. That's a huge number. And, you know, procrastination is probably one of the key components of why people are not necessarily successful. But at least this puts you in that. I mean, one of the biggest questions Al and I get is that, all right, well, am I on track? How do I compare to other people that you see? Well, this is a good idea to take a look at. All right, well, how much money are you making? Multiply by those factors, and then that's going to get you in the ballpark, right? Because I think a lot of times it's just simple arithmetic. How much money do I need to maintain the lifestyle that I want long term? Most of you don't have enough. We're not here to put fear in you. We want to make sure that you're responsible to look at, hey, how much do I need to give you the confidence to do all the things that you want to do in retirement?
Hey, Joe, why don't we do kind of a simple example of, let's say, some different ages. You know, perhaps you're age 40 or 50 or 60. Let's say you have $50,000 saved. Let's say you want to reach that $500,000 savings goal. Well, how much do you need to save per month to be able to do that? In this slide, it's showing you $179 per month if you're 40. Look what happens if you're in your 50s, $862 per month. And if you're 60, you got to fast track this. That's $3,875 per month. That's, of course, at a 7% rate of return, and assuming that you retire at age 67.
Just $4 grand a month, huh?
Yeah, no problem, right? But Joe, that does show. It shows why you want to start as early as possible when you're saving.